Hello guys, what is up? I'm Shanika and welcome to another video of Brown Slayers. So today is a haul video and I'm gonna show you some products which I recently bought, and without wasting any more time, let's start the intro and get into the video. As in India, we don't get that much access to the international brands. I mean, all the international brands are not accessible in India. So we always have to vouch on some Insta sellers which you can trust a lot. I mean, you can trust basically who don't sell fake products. Like this, I also have some Insta sellers whom I trust a lot. 2 to 3 of them are there. So for me, one of them is Catchy Lash, and I literally trust her a lot. The owner is Jhulan, and whenever I ask her whatever the question may be, she is always on. I mean, she's always on. So from her I bought some of the products, and I'm filming this video right now. It might happen that you get this video a lot later because there are some technical issues for which I think that I will upload this video a bit later. First of all, let me show you the packaging it came in. This is the box all the products came in, and I want to show you the packaging because I literally want you guys to see that how all the products came and how beautifully she packed everything in a very beautiful manner. So let's see the packaging first and then we will talk about the products individually. So these are all the products I have bought. Not these two, by the way. These two are gift from her side, and बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से रैप किया है उन्होंने. मतलब वो बहुत ही टेंशन कर रही थी कि इस लॉकडाउन के जो चक्कर चल रहा है इसमें प्रोडक्ट अच्छे तरीके से मेरे तक पहुंचेगा या नहीं. सो फाइनली इट अराइव्ड, एंड ये सारा चीज़ जो है वो बबल रैप से रैप किया हुआ है, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली हर एक के ऊपर प्रोडक्ट का नाम लिखा हुआ है और यहाँ पे फ्री गिफ्ट्स लिखा हुआ है. यहाँ पे जो जो प्रोडक्ट्स है सबका नाम लिखा हुआ है. सो मतलब मेहनत दिख रही है. So let's unpack the bubble wrap and come back. Yeah, I have unwrapped all the products. Now और भी एक क्यूट सा, बहुत ही क्यूट सा रैपर है. यहाँ पे रैपिंग पेपर से रैप किया गया है हर एक प्रोडक्ट्स को. बहुत ही मेहनत है इसमें. दो मुझे मन तो नहीं कर रहा है सबको अनबॉक्स मतलब ये रैपर हटाने का, लेकिन अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते, रैपर तो हटाना ही होगा. अब देखिए ज़रा, बहुत ही क्यूट सा रैपर है. मतलब बहुत ही क्यूट सा है. डिज्नी प्रिंसेस एंड ऑल मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. मतलब व्हाट अ नाइस जेस्चर, राइट. सो अब क्या करें, इसको खोलना भी होगा और आप लोगों को दिखाना भी होगा. सो लेट्स क्विकली अनपैक ऑल दिस and show you all the products one by one. Did you see that कितना beautifully उन्होंने पैक किया था सब products को. So I love the packaging a lot. I was feeling very weird to ripping off all the packaging because so beautifully it was packed. So whatever, let's talk about the products individually. So first of all, I have a skincare product which is the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin Skin Serum. This is how it looks like. Now I bought this Alpha Arbutin because the face you are watching is, I have a lot of dark spots and hyperpigmentation on my face, so I thought of trying this. So this is the first product. So the second product in my jholi is a mascara. This is the Thick and Fast Lashes from Soap and Glory. Now this is a volumizing mascara, I think. Also it lengthens. Now this is the wand. It's raining outside, so if you are getting the sound of rain, then please don't mind. So yeah, this is the mascara, and I also have a high hope for this. because I saw a lot of good reviews on this. So this is the second thing. So the next item is some lip products. I mean, has to be some lip products, right? I'm buying something and not buying any lip products is it's a I don't know what, but yeah, some lip products. These are two of them are from Focallure. This is Focallure liquid lipsticks in the shade burnt umber and burgundy. So this is Focallure, and then I have elf liquid elf matte crayon lipsticks. This is how it looks like in the shade Scarlet Night, I think. Yeah, this is in the shade Scarlet Night. And then which I love the most is Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Atta Girl. This is a glossy lipstick, I mean a transparent glossy one, which you can use on top of any kind of shade you want. Then it will instantly turn the lipstick into a glossy form. So this is from Colourpop, and that's all about the lipstick products. Yeah, we are all under the mask right now, so no more lip colors. Oh, by the way, let me show you the Focallure shades. I missed it. This is the shade Burnt Umber. This is a very what would I say? It's a mauvey, pinky kind of shade. This is good. It reminds me of Sugar Smudge Me Not का वो वाला कौन सा था? Divine Praline. I mean Divine Praline, as I'm a dark complexion girl, Divine Praline doesn't show up that dark color on me. It showed a very subtle mauvey kind of shade. It reminds me of that a bit. I mean not exactly that, but a bit of that. And the next is Burgundy, and it has to be a very dark shade, and which I love a lot. I mean I love dark shades very much. So yeah, this is Burgundy. And this is also a very sweet, beautiful color. It also reminded me of Sugar Smudge Me Not Fairy Berry, a bit of that. And also it is a close dupe of that Milani lip cream in the shade Sugar maybe. So check on my Instagram. I will definitely put a swatch of this too, basically. So check that out. And then move on to the next product. So the next product is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Huda Beauty. This is the Topaz Obsession palette, the 9-color eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. Can you see that how many looks one can create with this one palette? This is so pretty. And this has yellow, I mean not yellow, a bit off kind of yellow, then browns, dark brown, faux shimmer, and also a right size of mirror. This is a very travel friendly palette. You can easily travel with it, and it's a cardboard packaging. I mean I'm not getting into this. I'll definitely come with this on a different video. And now what I have to talk about this, not this product, but this Insta seller, Jhulan. Jhulan is a very darling kind of person, and also she offers pretty decent price of all products. Now you can, I mean in Nykaa you can see that this palette worth rupees 2,400 and something like that, near about 2,500. It's raining outside heavily, so please excuse the sound if you get it. So yeah, this is 2,500, near about 2,500 in Nykaa, but I got it from her only in 2,000 bucks. And also this Ordinary Alpha Arbutin, many Instagram sellers sell this for around 1100 or so, but I got it for rupees 850 or 900 maybe. Now the price may be a bit steep right now because of this pandemic, but I got it for 900 because I bought it a bit earlier. So yeah, she keeps all the product in a very reasonable range. I always opt for her because she will tell you that please wait for some time, a sale is gonna coming, then you can purchase a thing and you will get it in a very low price. So this transparent she is, and whenever I get to her with any kind of questions, she is always on. So this is a very plus point that I go for her whenever I want to purchase some international products. So these are the products which all I bought from her, and also she gifted me 2 products. Now one is the Pond's Angel Face Powder. Now this is a mattifying powder, natural mattifying powder. This is a Thailand based product. I mean, Pond's is available here, but not this product is available here. There are so many powder which comes under this range, like BB powder or something like that. I don't know much, but yeah, I got it as a gift. And then I got this thing. This is a makeup remover kind of thing. I mean, this is a gloves. I mean, I don't know. Let me show you. This is the, I should do like this and then wash my makeup with only water. I mean, all the instructions are written behind the packaging, so I don't need any makeup remover to use this or to remove my makeup. I can only remove all the makeups with water. Yeah, so that's all about the products I have. And if you wanna check her Instagram page and also the Facebook page, I will definitely link all the details of her in the description box below, and also all the product links. I mean, if I get the links, then I will also link them in the bottom part of the description box. And also, if you want to check her page out, then do click on the Instagram handle or the Facebook page. And also, if you want to contact her personally, then please DM me in my Instagram, which is already linked in the description box, so that I can give you her contact number. I generally don't recommend anything which I don't use, so I'm buying products from her for a longer period of time now, so that's why I can recommend you that you really can opt for her, and you will not regret buying from her. And also, all of her products are absolutely authentic, so go and check out her page and buy as much as you can. By the way, have you checked my Pride look, which is already up in my channel? Go and check out that look. And also you can, it's already the Pride month going on, it's not end yet, so you also can do some makeup look to give tribute to that community. And do tag me in the Instagram if you do any kind of makeup look. All my Insta handle, my Facebook page, and also the email ID is linked in the bottom part, so check that out. And also follow me in the Instagram. And if you like the video, then give it a big fat thumbs up. So if you are new in this channel and watching this face for the very first time, then do subscribe my channel and also hit on the bell icon, so that every time I come up with a new video, I mean Brown Slayers upload a new video, your phone get a buzz. And also, all of my viewers, some of you are not subscribing my channel and you are coming, watching the video and going away. Why? It's free. You can easily subscribe my channel. So till the next video, take love, bye bye. This is a very travel friendly. This is a very travel friend. This is a very travel friendly palette.